Hello, everybody. It's Chris here from C&M Reptiles. Today, I want to talk to you about where we normally buy our snakes from and the different portals and platforms that we use to procure certain animals. So, here in South Africa, there's a lot of groups who sell on raffles, which you can bid on. One of them is Garden Group. They have a large selection of different groups where you can actually procure various animals. The Reptile Center, great option for raffles and auctions and stuff like that. But my favorite has to be the Reptile Broker. With the Reptile Broker, you can get anything, especially your hot snakes. There's a large variety of venomous snakes available. And for those of you who want to go venomous, and then you can speak to professionals, get great care, data for your snakes, and you get into contact with the right people the first time around.